Did you know your cat thinks it's a master spy when it makes those weird quacking sounds at birds? When cats spot prey through the window, they often start making bizarre chirping and chattering noises. Scientists believe they're actually trying to mimic bird calls to lure their targets closer. Your fluffy house cat genuinely thinks it sounds like a sparrow or robin. But here's the hilarious truth. Cats are absolutely terrible at this deception. A real duck goes quack, quack in smooth, clear tones. Your cat sounds like a broken robot having a meltdown, making choppy or kek sounds. They sit there chattering away, completely convinced they're fooling everyone. Meanwhile, the birds outside are probably thinking, what is that weird creature doing? It's like watching someone try to speak French by just adding random accents to English words. Your cat's hunting instincts are so strong, it's willing to embarrass itself daily. The funniest part? They never realize how ridiculous they sound. Nature's most confident and yet unsuccessful ventriloquists live in our homes.